Hi, this is Charting Man Dan of TheChartGuys.com, home of technical analysis education. Click the link for a free week trial, no credit card required, and gain access to our multiple live broadcasts daily, community chat room, educational videos, nightly watch lists, and more. Invest in your education and future and join the community today.
Hey everyone, looking at gold. So we're still grinding against this 200-day moving average resistance, which is ascending. That level is 1263.73, but the bulls are showing up. We're on the verge of a bullish MACD cross. That will be a great sign for the bulls, and we'll look for continuation to the upside if that does follow through. And we're looking at some key resistance levels, which I will point out on the hourly time frame. The weekly for gold, inside candlestick last week, the bulls want to break 1266.80. That will be a great sign for the bulls this week as we look to head up to the 200-week moving average resistance of 1277.35. So what we're looking at for gold on the hourly is a very clear resistance level today. Look at this hourly chart, rejecting from 1264, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 candlesticks today. Clearly, we need to see the bulls close above 1264. Then we're looking at the high of today, 1265.55. And then looking at the 4-hour chart, some clear resistance levels. 1267.45, break above that level. We're looking at 1271.55, and the holy grail here on this oversold gold bounce will be to get above 1279.10, and then we start working on this big dump candlestick where there's not a ton of resistance. So the bulls are looking to get above 1279.10, a long way to go, lots of levels to work through. But if you saw my last video, I was highlighting the oversold daily RSI on gold over the past, I think I went back 7 years. And this bullish MACD cross following through tomorrow would be a great sign for continuation on this bounce to the upside. We have the miners following through in a very nice way today. NUGT we'll start with. Signal number 1, closing above the 10-day moving average resistance, which rejected the price 2 days in a row. We closed above it, and then we follow through to the upside with a lot of strength. We closed up near the high. We broke the high of last week. So the inside candlestick on these bull miners has broken for the bulls to the upside. And we're looking to confirm the bullish reversal candlestick on the weekly. So this is a great sign for the bull miners, and we're looking for more upside. Look at the lack of resistance here on the daily time frame for NUGT. We're looking up at the middle Bollinger Band of 1568 as the next resistance. So there's not a lot of resistance levels. And looking at JNUG, same thing, closing above the 10-day, bullish MACD cross, breaking the high of last week, and we're looking up at resistance here, middle Bollinger Band of 1433. So the bulls are looking great on the miners. Now we just need gold to follow through. And gold to follow through needs a close above 1264 on the hourly, and then a break of 1267. Let's get that exact level again. 1267.45 is the next goal after 1264. And a nice trend is playing out here. Still some work to do for the bulls, but the setup is here for the bull miners, and they certainly perform really well when gold and the markets are headed in the same direction. So we'll be keeping an eye out for that as well. We had that a bit today, which is what saw that really nice upside for the bull miners. So keep an eye on continuation tomorrow, and we'll see if gold can continue to the upside. We've got some China data, economic data, tonight, and that should have a pretty significant impact on gold where we stand. Maybe that's the momentum the bulls need to get over these mid 1260 resistances. But if we do pull back from these levels, there is still not a ton of support. We're looking down here at 1257, 1254.50, and 1251. So bulls trying to establish support. It's essentially a battle between 1262 and 1264 all day today. We did dip below it, but you can see the candlesticks on the hourly, how many bounced off of 1262 and how many rejected from 1264. So that's what we're watching. We'll see what the Chinese data reaction is, and tomorrow certainly set up to be another exciting day for the bulls. The bulls are set up on the daily time frame on these miners, and we'll see what kind of follow through we can get tomorrow. I appreciate you watching. We will check back in tomorrow. Have a great night.